Hi, boys and girls. Today's learning goal says I can identify the main topic, key details, and closure the author uses to teach me about wetlands. We're going to learn how to do that by using this passage. Follow along while I read it to you. The Everglades is a wetlands area. Water covers or soaks the soil most of the time. There are two types of wetlands. Coastal wetlands are near the ocean. The water in these areas is brackish. This means it is a mix of saltwater and freshwater. Inland wetlands have only freshwater. You can find both kinds of wetlands in the Everglades. Now we can look at our picture. This is a real photo of what the wetlands look like. Because remember, during this task, you're also learning about really good text features to help you learn. Over here, there's a fun fact. It says, the Everglades gets a lot of rain. About 5 feet, or 1.5 meters, falls each year. Most of it falls in the summer and fall. What happens when a lot of rain falls all at once? What problems occur? You also have a caption here that talks more about your picture. Remember, the caption is a sentence that helps you describe what is in the photograph. This caption says, the Everglades wetlands support a range of plants and animals. Let's get back to our learning goal. We wanted to figure out what the main topic was, or the introduction that the author wrote to identify what the main topic was. Can you pause the video and talk with your partner? What do you think the introduction for this paragraph is? Press play when you're ready to continue. Awesome. Did you say that the Everglades is a wetlands area? That definitely introduces what we're going to be learning about, and it identifies what the main topic of this passage is going to be all about. If you're able to write a good introduction for your report, you could earn this badge, the Hook Your Reader badge. Let's find some details the author included to support this main topic. Pause the learning video and talk with your partner about some details that support the main topic we've already identified. Press play when you're ready to continue. Did you and your partner say that there are two types of wetlands? Coastal wetlands and inland wetlands? If you did, kiss your brain, because those details absolutely support the type of wetlands that are in the Everglades. If you're able to write really good details and facts in your report, you could earn an interesting facts badge for your Ranger Vest. All right, friends, can you identify the sentence the author uses to wrap up or to put a closure to his writing? Pause and talk with your partner. What sentence would be a good wrap-up sentence? Press play when you're ready to check yourself. All right, you smarties, did you say that you can find both kinds of wetlands in the Everglades? If you did, kiss your brain. That is where the author wrapped it up. You can get your Wrap It Up badge if you do a closure in your report. Let's review. Our learning goal today was to identify the main topic, key details, and the closure that the author used to teach about wetlands. Do you like this little guy? Well, if so, tell your teacher the word alligator and you can earn this listening badge for this activity. Good luck!